Hi, my name is Kathleen. I am the founding partner of Startup Venture Capital in Singapore. I am now here at IndiaNIC in India. Some time ago, I was looking for a reliable IT company that can help me in our product vision. What makes me decide that IndiaNIC is the best one is the communication is responsive, information is transparent, and I feel comfortable talking with them on the phone and video Skype. However, I think it's really hard when you are working remotely, when the client is overseas and the tech company is in India, because there are a lot of barriers. So one time, the founder of the IndiaNIC, Mr. Sandeep Mundra, he came to Singapore during Singapore FinTech Festival, and we had this opportunity to meet as a group. And I had fun talking with them because he seems like a very genuine person, very informative, and he's also very helpful. So I have thought to move forward with them and to give a chance and a shot to come here. So when I got here, everything is so easy and smooth, from booking my flight. They arranged everything from my accommodation to the flight. So I didn't really think of those little things, so we can focus on more important things such as the product vision. When I work with a team, we don't just work right away. We discuss of what we need for the long term, short term, and how we're gonna get things done in appropriate timeline. When I work with a team, we discuss about the discovery phases, the UI and UX design, planning, and to working with the design team. And every day I feel so excited. When I let them be part of our product vision, the results is amazing. We make things done within just a week or two, depends on the information that we provided with them. And I feel like this is the right team that I can work with for the short term and the long term. IndiaNIC is reliable, responsive, and most importantly, you can work with them for long term, which all of us as a founder in a startup, it's very important aspect to filter what are the types of partners you can work with. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you IndiaNIC, to Jigar, to Shonika, to Rashmi, and to all the people that worked with me during my entire trip here. Have a good day. Bye.